What's up guys? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Orbs again po. And yes, of course, another blessed day and another new year guys. Happy New Year to everyone guys. Today is the first day of January 1, 2026. I hope guys you enjoy your holidays and of course, today magre-react na naman tayo sa another video or performance ni Gwen Dorado. Sobrang na-excite ako dito guys kasi ang tagal kong hinintay na ma-release yung kanyang performance sa top 7 going to top 4. And of course, I know some of you already watched the performance of Gwen Dorado sa Sing Again 4. But this time guys, samahan nyo ako na panoorin at unti-untiin natin yung kanyang performance na napaka dami ng good reviews, no? And sobrang nakaka-excite kasi si Gwen Dorado po ay kakanta ng isang new release song na gawa ng isang sikat na songwriter sa South Korea. And yeah, tara na, wag na natin patagalin. And of course, kung bago ka sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod nating videos. Maraming salamat. Tara na, let's do this. Panoorin na natin ang performance ni Gwen ng I Want You. Alright, here we go. Eto na. Sobrang smooth ng opening and look at her. Sobrang ganda ni Gwen and medyo rockstar yung atake niya dito. Napansin ko lang guys sa opening, low melody pero alam naman natin na mataas ang voice range ni Gwen, no? And sobrang nakaka-excite anong klaseng flavor, atake and chills ang ibibigay niya sa atin today sa kanyang performance. Okay. Sobrang naninibago lang ako kasi sobrang low melody ng song. But of course, this is the first time we heard this song, no? And tignan mo naman si Gwen. Chill lang ang atake. No, she gusto ko malaman kung anong flow netong I Want You, no? Is it I Want You ano ba, very sad song ba? Ano ba yung ipapahiwatig sa atin ni Gwen dito sa song na to? And guys, I know some of you also watch the video and ay, ang dami ko nakitang magandang reviews kaya sobrang excited ako panoorin to. And guys, as I've mentioned sa mga previous video ko, kailangan po natin i-dissect ng mabuti to. And please bear with me. I need to pause and play the video more often, okay? Unti-unti natin i-dissect natin tong performance na to. 보고 싶은 그리워하는 그리고 싶은 네 얼굴로 내 하루 채워. Sobrang napapansin ko lang, no, emotional siguro tong song na to since Korean hindi natin masyado naintindihan pero based sa tone na binibigay sa atin ni Gwen, I think this is a parang pagsusuma mo and based also sa title I Want You, parang I really want you, I want you, I want you. 내 안을 채워 또 날 불러. Napakaganda ni Gwen, sobrang ganda and napaka-talented na itong Pinay na to. Woo! Sobrang nakaka-proud. I want you. I want you. So guys, I think I've noticed then, no, I think yung song na to na I Want You is of course combination siya ng Hangul or Korean language and English. And which is very suitable para kay Gwen kasi she is a trilingual. She know how to speak Tagalog, English, and of course fluent na rin siya sa Korean language or Hangul, which is very nice, napakagaling. And I think this is the writer of this song guys, ang kanyang naging mentor dito sa challenge na to, sa performance na to. I don't know the name. If you know this guy guys, the songwriter, of I Want You para kay Gwen? Please comment down below para ma-enlighten tayo.
I want you.
Very rockstar ang atake niya, no? Alam mo yun, parang medyo Taylor Swift ang permahan.
You don't want me to. 네가 웃던 아침 네가 자던 자리 네가
Oh! Wait. Parang, the second part ng song ay medyo mabilis. Parang rap for me. Pero hindi, I think it's R&B atake, yung song, no? Parang ganun yung pasok niya. Pero, let's see, watch natin ulit yung second part ng song. Alright.
I want you. I want you. You don't want me to.
Sobrang ganda talaga ng boses ni Gwen, no? Yung melody, sobrang soft. Ang ganda lang ng atake niya dito. Ang ganda. Sobrang, nakakakilig yung boses ni Gwen. Eto na.
네가 웃던 아침 네가 자던 자리 네가 입던 잠 어떤 lunch you made Then you called 네가 쓴 편지 네가 고른 음악 네가 떠는 계절
Sobrang combination nga siya ng Hangul and English, no? Korean language and English. May part ako naririnig na English and then babalik siya sa Korean language, no? Sobrang, ay, sana naiintindihan ko yung Korean language ng maigi. Pero this time, nafe-feel ko naman na yung song is sobrang ganda ng ibig sabihin. And yeah, medyo emotional nga tong song na to. And let's see kung ano pang ipapasabog ni Gwen sa performance na to, no? And nafe-feel ko emotional song to. Let's see.
하나도 못 버려
Ooh, very nice ng run na yon, ha? Napaangat. Sobrang yung pag-ladder niya doon. Ganda nun, ha?
널 지워 All I ever wanted was you
And guys, napansin ko lang, no, from low melody and then another second part ng song, medyo tumaas tayo ng konti, pa high notes na siya. And ito na siguro yung magiging highlights, or let's see kung ito yung highlights ng performance niya.
I want you I want you
And guys, napansin ko din, no, na yung word na I want you, and parang yun yung nag-highlights dito sa song na to. Since yun naman talaga yung title ng song. Pero, redundant yung word na I want you paulit-ulit. Pero, the good thing here, parang binibigyan naman ni Gwen ng iba't ibang emotions and tone level yung word na yan, no, sa song na to. Which is very nice, and makikita mong napakagaling ni Gwen when it comes on, providing emotions and tone sa bawat song. And yung word na I want you, parang isang ano lang siya, pero iba-iba ng emotions and tone. Galing.
I want you
See?
You tell me to
Oh, now I understand, guys. I want you to want me to. So parang the meaning of the song is parang I want you to want me to. Parang nagsusumamo, parang gano'n. Nakikiusap. Yeah, something like that.
Every time I close my eyes, you're there again.
Ooh, very nice. Every time I close my eyes, you're there again. Alright.
Can't escape the way you call my name away.
See guys, napansin niyo ba yun, no? From low melody, nag-high note siya ng kaunti, like parang 3-step forward, high notes, and then balik na naman siya sa low melody na alam mo yun, yung control is there. Sobrang galing niya mag-control ng kanyang tones and of course, the emotions na binibigay niya, no? Sobrang galing ni Gwen. Galing niya dito. Yung technique is there. Very emotional din yung boses niya dito, no? And it's giving me a vibe na parang since this is a new song, parang ang atake niya sa akin ay sobrang kakaiba.
너와 내가 만난 그곳에 아직
emotions. Tignan mo naman ang facial expression. Sobrang, punong-puno.
Stay. I want you.
Hey!
I want you.
Ito na guys yung sinasabi ko, parang iba-iba yung level. Isa lang yung sinasabi niya na I want you, pero yung level ng emotions and yung tone, paangat ng paangat. And this time guys, I think this is the highlights of this performance of the song. So, tignan natin. Anong flavor ba to?
I want you. You told me to.
Very nice, no? Ng range na yun, sobrang ganda ng takbo ng flow ng song, no? Yung pagbirit niya dito, sobrang nice, ibang level. Ibang level yung control, and emotions. OM! Ayun yung sinasabi ko guys, like paulit-ulit lang yung I want you, pero iba-iba yung level. No, nafe-feel niyo ba? Naririnig niyo ba? Ako guys kasi pinakikinggan ko ng maigi eh. Same words pero yung level, yung tone, iba-iba ng level. Like pataas siya ng pataas. And the control, sobrang amazing ng control neto ni Gwen. Ang ganda ng run na yun, paangat. And the kulot there is, it's giving me a chill. Ang ganda. Grabe ang emotions, punong-puno. Kita niyo naman sa mga reactions ng audience and the judges, sobrang I want you. That's amazing runs. Ang taas, ang ganda. Hindi overpower yung notes na yon, yung high notes na yon, hindi overpower. Sobrang on point, no? Sobrang galing. Ganda. Nice. From high notes, bumaba na naman siya ng low melody, yung pinakamababa na. Ay, plus the emotions. I feel it. Gwen, I feel it. I feel it. I feel it. Nice. Oh, the facial expression, emotions is there. Umaapaw. Look at her eyes. Sobrang, I want you. Nagsusumamo nga yung kanta na to. Yeah. For me.
I want you.
I want you.
I want you.
Ooh, very nice ending. Nice ng ending. Nice, sobra. Ang ganda naman nun. Kahit ako, parang, I hold my breath doon sa performance na yun, no? I think guys, that's it for today. And yeah, sobrang nakaka-excite. And I know some of you guys, you want to watch the full performance. Itatag ko na lang po sa aking description kung saan nyo mapapanood. And of course, guys, thank you so much for joining me in this journey. And sana this year, 2026, sama-sama po tayo and manood and mag-chill lang. If you have free time guys, you can watch some of my reaction video. Maraming salamat po sa mga bago nyo ating subscriber. And guys, of course, if you want to vote for Gwen, there is a website called JTVC. Search nyo na lang po and you can use your social media platforms there to log in and then look for Sing Again 4 na portion doon sa website and then you can vote. Okay? And we're going to finals na and pasok na po si Gwen sa top 4 and let's see kung anong magiging performance niya sa finals. Abangan po natin yan. Gagawa natin ng reaction video yan. Hihintayin natin. But this time guys, that's it for today. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa akin. Again, this is Orbso. And kung bago ka po sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod natin videos. Shoutout din po sa buong Pilipino po na nasa ibang bansa, OFW. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. You are loved and you are been seen. Thank you so much po sa pag-support sa atin channel na Orbs TV. So kita po tayo sa susunod nating video. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat. God bless you all. Happy New Year again guys. Happy New Year. See you po. Bye-bye.